Increase your knowledge in reliability engineering in 2025 and be prepared to create and maintain high reliability assets performance and eliminate the performance issues. ECC training calendar is now available on ECC website. The training is provided from 9 a.m. to 17 p.m. Central Europe Time in English language. ECC provides online presential training for reliability engineering topics such as reliability and maintenance program implementation, lifetime data analysis, RAM analysis, FMEA and RCM, human reliability. ECC also provides safety engineering training such as risk management for oil and gas industry and risk management for railway industry. The new ECC training, Artificial Intelligence for Maintenance 4.0, is based on Dr. Eduardo Calixto's new book Artificial Intelligence for Maintenance 4.0, Manual for Maintenance Engineers. The ECC training are based on Dr. Eduardo Calixto's books and his experience of over 20 years in different industries such as mining, oil and gas, railways, aerospace and military industry. The training examples are customized accordingly with the participants and their industries. To apply for the ECC Online Presential Training to ECC website, read the training content and conditions and submit the application form. Once your application is accepted and the payment is confirmed, you will receive your participation confirmation. Be prepared for 2025 challenges by attending the best reliability engineering training in the market. ECC will provide access to the top-level software to make easier your learning process. Be the best reliability engineer.